Hello everyone, it's the 19th of November 2019 at 8 o'clock I believe. Let me check. It's 7:42 a.m. I made myself a good cup of coffee, listened to some motivation talks, got showered, got my teeth brushed, got my face washed, and everybody's still back in their beds sleeping. I didn't sleep at all throughout the night. I was working on this thing called some kind of funnel, some kind of marketing funnel, and then I also was working on some kind of like social media stuff because I subscribe to Hootsuite and it's just awesome. I mean, I can do everything within the app to post across all social media channels. The thing is, I'm trying to automate stuff and I'm trying to get into a routine, get into a automated sort of like a ritual to get myself in the loop, not in the loop, in the spirit. Nope, not in the spirit, but get myself like, what do you call it? I'm trying to make things easier so that even though there's a lot of work, if I do things every single day the same way, then it will seem easier. So like what a friend on Twitch was saying, that if you edit all the time, you get faster and faster. So let's say if I were to squeeze in a lot of stuff within one day, and each and every day I keep on doing the same thing over and over again, it will seem easier sooner or later, right? So I mean, that's the plan, that's the dream. The watch tells me that, oh, it's time to eat, then I go eat. Oh, the watch tells me it's time to meditate, it's time to pray, it's time to sleep, then I sleep. Then it's all the notifications from the watch. I have always wanted my watch to help me out with my life. Always wanted it to notify me and do stuff after it notifies me. So I mean, it's not too late to start something that I've always wanted to do. I have to do so many things today. I'm just hoping that I'll just get through the day and get it done and then get some sleep tonight, because I haven't slept since yesterday. So I mean, I'm really pumped. There's this thing called eToro, a really awesome trading platform. I'm sure a lot of people are using it to earn money. I might be looking into that. I'm also looking into social media and stuff, like how do you use Twitter to reach out to people without having to pay, how do you reach out to people on Facebook without having to pay. I'm sure there are a lot of things. I'm also thinking of like creating guides for new people that want to be on Twitch, guides for people that want to be on Steemit. So there's a lot of things I want to do. Hopefully everything will just work itself out. Not I'll try to work on one thing at a time. So finish something, gotta finish something. What do I have to do? Finish things, right? I mean, I start something, I get really hyped up, and then in the end it just fizzles out. So I gotta be strong, finish things, get it done, and all will be well. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.